Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3R size pictures in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and choose the picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Now I am select the image and click insert. Now we want to make the image size 3R. Now we go to the picture format menu and we can see here the height and width or the measurement units is inches. The 3R size is 3.5 into 5 in inches. Now I am select the size and position drop down menu and check mark of the lock aspect ratio. Then select the height 3.5 and the width is 5. Then press enter. Then close the window. Now we can see we make a picture size 3R very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.